Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the pressure and the properties of pressure. So student, first of all I want to tell you about the pressure. So pressure is the definition as you can see on the screen. It is the force acting on the unit area. Yes. So the formula of the pressure is given here. Pressure is equal to force upon area. So you can see what is the relation as you from this formula you can understand as you increase the force, so pressure automatically increase. And what about the relation with the area? So with the area, what you will get if you increase the area of the substance, yes, so the pressure would decreases, yes. And if you decrease the area, so pressure would increase. So from here I can say pressure is directly proportional to force, means as you increase the pressure, as you increase the force, the pressure would increase. And what about the area? So pressure is inversely proportional to area, means if you increase the area, so pressure get decreases, and if you decrease the area, pressure would increases. So here number of the activities are here to make you understand about the pressure. So first one will discuss about the activity of iron nail and the wooden block. So as you take the iron nail and the hammer, as you can see on the screen, so from the pointed end, if you try to uh, push that iron nail into the wooden block, so through the by the help of hammer you can easily push that nail. But what will happen if you take other side of the iron nail, that is a head part, and try to exert the iron nail by the help of the hammer, so you will not able to do this. So why? Because the area of the iron nail is increases. Yes, so as the area increasing is more from the head side, so we are not able to we are not able to push the iron nail in wooden block. So this is the by this activity you can understand. Yes, so as you increase the area, yes, so that the pressure decreases, and if we decrease the area, then pressure increases. Yes, so from here student we can understand how the pressure is working. Now if we want to calculate the amount of the pressure, so in the condition the force should be perpendicular on the surface. Yes, if force is not perpendicular on the surface, so we cannot calculate the accurate amount of the pressure. Then student, next one we will discuss about the pressure which is exerted by the liquid and the gases. So from the one activity I want to tell you how the liquid exert the pressure on the container wall of the container, and how the pressure is more on the bottom side of the container and less on the uh, upper side of the container. So as the bottle is given on the screen you can see, so I will divide the water of bottle into the 5 part, as you can see on the screen. And as as I have told you, yes, the pressure is more on the bottom side, and the pressure is less on the upper side. So as I do the hole into the in this bottle, so what will happen on upper side, the pressure of water will be less, and as I go down side of the bottle, so the pressure of the water would be high. So from this we can understand the liquid exert pressure on the wall of container, as well as we can understand from here the liquid exert pressure more on the bottom side and less on the upper side. Yes, student. Then student, from the next activity we'll try to understand the gases also exert pressure on the wall of the container. So for that we need to take a balloon, yes, and try to inflate that balloon, so that balloon get inflated. And as we remove, yes, our hand from the uh, and from the knob of the balloon, so the air get removed from the balloon. Why? This is because of the air pressure. Then apart from that, student, one more thing you need to remember: if one hole is there in the balloon, so as we try to fill air into the balloon through our mouth or any kind of the cylinder, so we will not able to do this thing. So why? Because the air pressure, because of that air pressure, the air get removed from the hole, and that balloon would not be get inflated. So by this activity you can understand, student, how the gases exert pressure on the container of the wall. And this is all about this video. Thank you.